Welcome to lowkeypd. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the timing menu to control when objects appear and disappear on your scenes. So when you're on your Google Vids edit page and you go under the View menu, the second option here is Show Timing. You can either turn the timing off, show all timing, or show the timing only for a selected object. For this video, I'm going to show all so that you can see what shows up when you have the timing menu on. So I have it turned to show all, and I'm on the first scene here, and notice that I've got a bunch of different things underneath this first scene. These are all different objects in scene one. And what I can do is I can use the timing menu to control when an object appears or disappears from the scene. For example, if I click on this Educator's Guide box, it's highlighted here. And what I can do is I can sort of drag this. In fact, I'm actually going to control this more specifically. I'm going to drag the scene head to a specific point in time. Let's say, I think it's at 12 seconds now. And I'm going to line that up. And so this box that contains the text Educator's Guide is going to disappear at about 12 seconds into the video. I'm going to hit play. I think I have the volume turned down so you don't have to listen to it, but I'm going to hit play so you can watch what happens to that text box when that time comes and watch it disappear before anything else does. Seconds, so about 12 seconds into this video, you should see this educator guide disappear. And I think what happens is, because there's a transition on it, it's going to make sure that the object is gone at the 12-second mark. So if there's a transition on it, it's actually going to start that transition a little bit before that, just to make sure the job is done once the video gets to 12 seconds. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching lowkeypd.